250 daily use spoken expressions that can be helpful in various situations. 1. How are you doing? 2. What's going on? 3. Good morning. 4. Good afternoon. 5. Good evening. 6. How's your day going? 7. What's new? 8. Long time no see. 9. How have you been? 10. I'm doing great, thanks. 11. Not too bad. 12. Could be better. 13. What's the plan for today? 14. Any exciting plans for the weekend? 15. Let's catch up soon. 16. Take care. 17. Have a nice day. 18. See you later. 19. Nice talking to you. 20. I'll talk to you later. 21. Sorry, I'm busy right now. 22. Can you give me a hand? 23. Excuse me, do you have a moment? 24. I apologize for the inconvenience. 25. Thank you for your help. 26. You're welcome. 27. Please, go ahead. 28. After you. 29. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. 30. Could you repeat what you said? 31. Can you speak a bit louder? 32. Can you speak more slowly? 33. I don't understand. 34. Can you explain that again? 35. I'm sorry, I don't know the answer. 36. Let me check and get back to you. 37. That's a good question. 38. I'm not sure, but I think. 39. In my opinion. 40. I agree with you. 41. I disagree. 42. That's interesting. 43. That's a good idea. 44. I've never thought about it that way before. 45. I'm sorry to hear that. 46. Congratulations. 47. Happy birthday. 48. Good luck. 49. I'm proud of you. 50. I'm sorry for your loss. 51. I hope you feel better soon. 52. Can I help you with anything? 53. How can I assist you? 54. Is there anything else I can do for you? 55. Let me know if you need anything. 56. Can I have a moment of your time? 57. Can I ask you a question? 58. Can I make a suggestion? 59. I'm really sorry. 60. It's not a problem at all. 61. No worries. 62. I appreciate your understanding. 63. I'll do my best. 64. That's not a problem. 65. I'll take care of it. 66. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. 67. Let's get started. 68. That sounds like a plan. 69. I'm ready when you are. 70. I'm looking forward to it. 71. It's been a pleasure working with you. 72. I'm glad we could help. 73. Thank you for your patience. 74. I'm sorry for the delay. 75. It's not your fault. 76. Let me double check that for you. 77. I'll make sure to pass on the message. 78. I'll let them know you called. 79. I'll forward the email to you. 80. I'll send you the details. 81. I'll send you the document. 82. I'm sorry, but I can't help with that. 83. I'm afraid I don't know the answer. 84. I'm not the right person to ask. 85. I'll transfer you to someone who can assist you. 86. I'll find someone who can help you. 87. I appreciate your feedback. 88. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. 89. I'll take note of that. 90. I'll pass on your feedback. 91. I'll make sure to address that issue. 92. That's a great idea. 93. I never thought of that before. 94. I'll definitely consider it. 95. I'll see what I can do. 96. That's not possible, I'm afraid. 97, I'm sorry, but that's against company policy. 98, I'm sorry, but I can't grant your request. 99, I understand how you feel. 100, I'm sorry, but I can't change the outcome. 101, can I have a glass of water, please? 102, can I have a glass of water, please? 103, excuse me, could you pass me the salt? 104, could you please turn down the volume? 105, can you lend me a pen? 106, do you mind if I sit here? 107, can you give me a ride to the airport? 108, I need to make a reservation, please. 109, can I have the bill, please? 110, do you accept credit cards? 111, can you recommend a good restaurant? 112, what time does the train/bus leave? 113, where is the nearest ATM? 114, how much does this cost? 115, is there a pharmacy nearby? 116, can you help me find my way? 117, do you have any vegetarian options? 118, can I try this on? 119, what's the weather like today? 120, can you tell me how to get to the museum? 121, can I have a receipt, please? 122, is there a restroom around here? 123, can you tell me the Wi-Fi password? 124, what time does the store close? 125, can I have a refund, please? 126, can I have a different size? 127, what's your recommendation on the menu? 128, can I have extra ketchup, please? 129, can you make it spicy? 130, can I have a to-go box, please? 131, can you help me with my luggage? 132, can I have a seat by the window? 133, can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? 134, can you book a hotel room for me? 135, can I have a map of the city? 136, can you recommend any tourist attractions? 137, can I have a blanket, please? 138, can you call a taxi for me? 139, can I have a glass of red wine, please? 140, can you help me with this heavy bag? 141, can I have a non-smoking room, please? 142, can you take a picture of us, please? 143, can I have a menu, please? 144, can you give me directions to the nearest gas station? 145, can I have a vegetarian pizza, please? 146, can you help me find my lost phone? 147, can I have a coffee with milk, please? 148, can you recommend a good book to read? 149, can I have a recommendation for a good movie? 150, can you recommend a reliable mechanic? 151, can I have a refill, please? 152, can you fix this broken chair? 153, can I have a hairdryer, please? 154, can you help me set up my computer? 155, can I have a different color, please? 156, can you fix this leaking faucet? 157, can I have a discount, please? 158, can you recommend a good place to go hiking? 159, can I have a glass of orange juice, please? 160, can you help me choose a gift for my friend? 161, can I have a copy of the report, please? 162, can you repair my broken phone screen? 163, can I have a charger, please? 164, can you recommend a good exercise routine? 165, can I have a seat in the front row? 166, can you help me find my lost keys? 167, can I have a cake for my birthday, please? 168, can you recommend a good hotel in this city? 169, can I have a new battery for my watch, please? 170, can you fix this flat tire? 171, can I have a seat near the exit, please? 172, can you recommend a good place to go shopping? 173, can I have a glass of sparkling water, please? 174, can you help me write a cover letter? 175, can I have a different style, please? 176, can you recommend a good workout routine for weight loss? 177, can I have a remote control for the TV, please? 178, can you help me find my lost wallet? 179, can I have a bouquet of flowers, please? 180, can you recommend a good place to have brunch? 181, can I have a new pair of shoes, please? 182, can you fix this broken door handle? 183, can I have a seat at the back, please? 184, can you recommend a good place to go sightseeing? 185, can I have a glass of hot tea, please? 186, can you help me plan my vacation? 187, can I have a different flavor, please? 188, can you repair this torn shirt? 189, can I have a table by the window, please? 190, can you recommend a good place to have dinner? 191, can I have a glass of white wine, please? 192, can you help me find my lost passport? 193, can I have a different size, please? 194, can you fix this broken light bulb? 195, can I have a seat near the stage, please? 196, can you recommend a good place to go dancing? 197, can I have a glass of water with lemon, please? 198, can you help me choose a new phone? 199, can I have a different design, please? 200, can you repair this cracked mirror? 201, can I have a seat by the fireplace, please? 202, can you recommend a good place to go for a walk? 203, can I have a glass of iced coffee, please? 204, can you help me find my lost glasses? 205, can I have a different scent, please? 206, can you fix this broken headphone? 207, can I have a seat in the balcony, please? 208, can you recommend a good place to go for dessert? 209, can I have a glass of hot chocolate, please? 210, can you help me choose a new laptop? 211, can I have a different topping, please? 212, can you repair this torn book page? 213, can I have a seat in the VIP section, please? 214, can you recommend a good place to have breakfast? 215, can I have a glass of lemonade, please? 216, can you help me find my lost earrings? 217, can I have a different pattern, please? 218, can you fix this broken zipper? 219, can I have a seat with extra legroom, please? 220, can you recommend a good place to go for a picnic? 221, can I have a glass of iced tea, please? 222, can you help me choose a new car? 223, can I have a different hairstyle, please? 224, can you repair this cracked phone case? 225, can I have a seat by the aisle, please? 226, can you recommend a good place to go for a swim? 227, can I have a glass of fresh juice, please? 228, can you help me find my lost wallet? 229, can I have a different font, please? 230, can you fix this broken watch? 231, can I have a seat in the front row, please? 232, can you recommend a good place to go for a hike? 233, can I have a glass of iced water, please? 234, can you help me choose a new TV? 235, can I have a different genre, please? 236, can you repair this torn painting? 237, can I have a seat near the window, please? 238, can you recommend a good place to go for a bike ride? 239, can I have a glass of fresh milk, please? 240, can you help me find my lost keys? 241, can I have a different color scheme, please? 242, can you fix this broken bicycle chain? 243, can I have a seat at the back, please? 244, can you recommend a good place to go for a run? 245, can I have a glass of iced lemonade, please? 246, can you help me choose a new camera? 247, can I have a different genre of music, please? 248, can you repair this torn cushion? 249, can I have a table by the pool, please? 250. Can you recommend a good place to go for a date?